Welcome to BhuttaMedix. In today's video, we're diving into the clavicle, commonly known as the collarbone. This slender, S-shaped bone plays a crucial role in connecting your upper limb to the trunk and provides stability to your shoulder. We'll discuss its anatomical position, side determination, and important landmarks. So, let's get started. Clavicle is divided into three parts. Medial end, which is also called sternal end, shaft, and lateral end, also called acromial end. Follow 3 steps to determine side of clavicle. Number 1. Hold the clavicle so that the 2/3 convex surface should be anterior, and the concave surface should be posterior. Number 2. Identify the ends. The medial end is rounder, and lateral end is flat. Number 3. Identify surface. Superior surface is generally smoother compared to inferior surface, because inferior surface has ridges and grooves. This round-shaped structure is sternal end. It has sternal facet which articulates with clavicular notch of the manubrium sterni to form sternoclavicular joint. This flat and broader structure is acromial end, also called lateral end. On inferior surface, this rough prominence is costal tuberosity, which is where the costoclavicular ligament inserts and support SC joint. This shallow depression found on middle 1/3 of the inferior surface is subclavian groove, point where subclavius muscle attaches. This prominent eminence found on the lateral 1/3 of the inferior surface is conoid tubercle. It provides an attachment to conoid ligament. The narrow oblique line present between conoid tubercle and acromial facet is trapezoid line. This smooth, oval, articular area found on the lateral aspect of the acromial end is acromial facet. Thank you.